Strength comes in all sizes. The 2026 Hyundai Kona. More spacious, more capable, and more nimble than what meets the eye. Proximity key with push-button start. Just get in and go. This small SUV is loaded with big-time tech. A brilliant 12.3-inch touchscreen keeps everything right at your fingertips. With Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, your apps, music, and maps come along for the ride. Keep everyone powered up with dual front and rear USB outlets. Rear view monitor with parking guidance makes backing in a breeze. And with BlueLink, your Kona is always within reach. BlueLink lets you remotely start the vehicle, lock or unlock doors, and a whole lot more, all from your compatible smartphone at no extra cost. There's also Bluetooth hands-free and wireless charging to keep you connected without the clutter. Small SUV? Meet big adventures. With flexible space for passengers and gear, Kona is always up for the challenge. It's all backed by Hyundai's America's Best 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty. And with every Hyundai sold, a donation is made to Hyundai Hope on Wheels to fight childhood cancer. Together, we've raised over $303 million. The 2026 Hyundai Kona. Smart technology, bold style, and confidence for the road ahead. Experience it for yourself at your local Hyundai dealer.